Prime Minister Narendra Modi will also visit Belgaum in Karnataka today. During his visit, the Prime Minister will address a function organized as part of the series of valedictory programs of the Karnataka Lingayat Education Society's year-long centenary celebrations. The society is a centuries old and a leading educational institution providing quality education in every sphere of specialization. Our correspondent Aisha Khanum is joining us from Belgaum in Karnataka. Aisha, the Prime Minister will address a function which has been organized as part of the valedictory programs for the centenary celebrations of the Karnataka Lingayat Education Society. I would first want you to tell us, is the stage all set to welcome the Prime Minister and host the Prime Minister today?
Well, the Prime Minister will be at the centenary celebrations here at Belgaum, and he is likely to reach here by 1:20. And this visit by the Prime Minister to this centenary celebration is being cherished by the students and the alumni of the KLE societies because the Prime Minister's office has invited the students to interact with the Prime Minister directly on the Modi app. And they have said that they can express their feelings, their desires on the Modi app, and a special blog has been created for the students which says PM at KLE. So through this Modi app, the students can tell the Prime Minister what KLE has done for them and how they've learned from KLE over these years. So 100 years celebration at KLE societies, and the Prime Minister will interact with the students. And many students we spoke to yesterday were very curious to listen to the Prime Minister. They are very eagerly waiting for the Prime Minister's speech, and also they have welcomed, many students are enthusiastic about the fact that the Prime Minister has taken a very bold decision in terms of improving the country's economy by withdrawing the 500 and 1,000 rupee note. So students have been discussing all these things, and they are very eagerly and curiously waiting to connect with the Prime Minister today at Belgaum.
All right. Thank you so much, Aisha, for joining us with those details. It's an important day for the students of the KLE Society there in Karnataka. We'll keep you updated.